Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making this awesome kite. You will need paper, a wooden stick, tape, a hole punch, and string. Take your paper and fold it in half, then carefully fold an angle in it like this. Do the same thing to the other side. Secure the center of the kite with some tape. Next, take your wooden stick and cut it to size. Place it across the front of the kite and secure it with tape. Punch a hole in the back and tie some streamers or strings through it as decoration. Finally, punch another hole in the front of the kite and tie your kite string to it. And just like that, you are done! Well done on making your own kite. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.